Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. In this video, we're going to focus on IELTS Writing Task 2 and I'm going to share with you how to write a strong body paragraph. The body paragraphs carry 66% of your task response and coherence and cohesion core. So, if you get this part wrong, a high band becomes nearly impossible. In this video, I'll teach you how to write a strong, logical, and well-developed body paragraphs that examiners love, step by step with real examples. Let's get started! IELTS essay writing consists of 4 parts: Introduction, Body Paragraph 1, Body Paragraph 2 or sometimes 3, and Conclusion. The body paragraphs are where you present and support your main ideas. Each one should clearly answer part of the question. You'll need logic, examples, and coherence. The first step is to determine what to write in each paragraph. So, we need to understand the question type first. There are different types of questions: opinion, discussion, problem or solution, advantages or disadvantages, and 2-part questions. So, based on the question type, you can divide your essay into logical paragraphs. Let's see an example. Here we have an agree or disagree question.
Some people think parents should teach children how to be good members of society. Others believe school is the best place to learn this. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
So, body paragraph 1 would be parents' role, body paragraph 2 would be school's role, and if you want to add another paragraph, it could be your opinion. Let's go through the structure of each paragraph. Each paragraph contains 4 parts. The first one is the topic sentence, where you introduce your main idea. This is the first sentence of your paragraph. It clearly states the point you'll develop in that paragraph and connects directly to the question. Try to keep it clear and concise. Avoid adding examples or details. And don't use vague phrases like "there are many reasons." Be specific. Let's see an example.
One major reason why university education should be free is that it provides equal opportunities for all students, regardless of their financial background.
Part 2 of the paragraph is explanation. Elaborate on your idea. This is where you develop your idea by answering why is this idea important and how does it connect to the question. So, you need to go deeper into the idea introduced in your topic sentence, use clear academic language, and also you can use 1 or 2 sentences for explanation. Let's see an example.
Many capable students are unable to attend university simply because they cannot afford tuition fees. This limits their future potential and widens the gap between rich and poor.
The next part in the paragraph is example, providing a real or hypothetical illustration. This is the most powerful part of your paragraph. Examples show the examiner you can support your idea with evidence. Keep it relevant and brief, like 1 or 2 sentences. Make it concrete, and don't say "in my opinion." Just present the scenario. Let's see an example.
For instance, Germany offers free university education, and as a result, students from all socioeconomic backgrounds can pursue higher education without financial pressure.
And the last part in each paragraph is the concluding sentence, which is optional. You can summarize or link to the next idea. This is optional, but very useful for cohesion. It neatly wraps up your points or leads into the next one. So the functions of this part is to summarize the paragraph's points, create a smooth transition, and restate your idea with different words. Let's see an example.
Therefore, providing free education not only promotes fairness, but also benefits the entire society.
Okie dokie. Now let's put it all together and go through a real IELTS example. The question is, Some people think governments should invest more in public transportation instead of building new roads. To what extent do you agree or disagree?
One strong reason to invest in public transportation is that it helps reduce traffic congestion in major cities. When public transport options are efficient and affordable, people are more likely to use them instead of private cars. This leads to fewer vehicles on the road. For example, in cities like Tokyo, where trains and buses are reliable and punctual, traffic jams are far less common compared to cities with poor public systems. Thus, enhancing public transport can significantly ease urban traffic problems.
Now let's review some vocabulary and phrases that can help you boost your score.
Phrases for topic sentence. One key reason why. One significant argument in favor of. A major benefit/drawback is that. It is widely believed that. One aspect worth considering is. A strong reason to support this view is. Phrases for explanation. This means that. In other words, this implies that. This leads to. As a result. Consequently. This is because. One possible explanation is that. The underlying reason is. Promotes, encourages, contributes to, results in leads to causes, restricts, limits, prevents, increases, reduces, enhances, facilitates, enables, empowers, widens the gap, narrows the divide. Phrases for example. For example. For instance. A good example of this is. To illustrate. A case in point is. Consider the case of. This can be seen in. Take the example of. In many developed countries. Research has shown that. According to recent studies. Statistics suggest that. In countries such as. A commonly observed trend is. Vocabularies for a concluding sentence. Therefore. Thus. Hence. In this way. Overall. As a result. Consequently. This clearly shows that.
Okay, now let's end the video with some practical writing tips. Number 1. Try to use linking words like firstly, moreover, as a result, for example, however, or therefore. Number 2. Avoid repetition. Vary your sentence structure and vocabulary. Number 3. Don't go off topic. Every sentence must relate to your main idea. And always remember these don'ts. Don't start without a clear topic sentence. Don't write too generally. And don't include multiple ideas in one paragraph. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you in the next video.